guys, good morning. I'm Bhaskar Asko and this is our day number 9 and I hope what we have discussed in the last class you guys got it. Now, last class আমি কি কৰিছিলো exercise 8.4 question number 4 লৈকে discuss কৰিলো now question number 5. So বেছি কথা নাপাতে আমি question 5 to start কৰো because আজি আমি খতম কৰিব পাৰিম নেকি চাও. ঠিক আছে? Okay. Question number 5 or 1. Look at the question. Prove that the following identities where angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are determined. Now, one is question 1 of left hand side and right hand side equals so korbo lage. Left hand side is a cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to so korbo lage 1 minus cos theta plus by 1 plus cos theta, right? So I mean left hand side to evaluate korim, right hand side to solve korim. Thik ase? So question number 5.1. Left hand side amar ki dise amar left hand side cosec theta minus cot theta whole square cosec theta minus cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, right? Okay, how can we write the cosec theta? We can write it as a 1 by sin theta, right? 1 by sin theta minus cot theta, we can write it as cos theta by sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Last class of my identity bur tomolok koisilo. Remember last class ami identity bur jibur koisilo, you have to remember it. Tomaloke to monog rakhibo lagibo, otherwise it is not possible to solve this kind of problem. So we can write cosec theta as 1 by sin theta and cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. Now take the LCM. Well, sin theta and sin theta, what is the LCM? Sin theta. Now divide sin theta by sin theta, that is 1 and 1 on the 1 minus sin theta by sin theta 1 into cos theta, that is cos theta. Right? Is it okay? Okay. Now, what do we need to do? We can show, well, 1 minus cos theta whole square, we can write it as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Okay, now what is sin square theta? We can write it as, well, I mean numerator to same rakhisu, denominator to sin square theta, that is 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore ki koisu ami cos square theta to right side e loi goisu. Therefore sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now আমি যদি 1 square put কৰি দিও, any problem নাই? 1 square কৰিলে square হৈ আছে. Well, square to কৰিছো বুলি imagine কৰা. You imagine it that we have squared up 1. That is 1 square minus cos square theta, that is a square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square theta, that is a square minus b square. So we can write it as, well, numerator same rakhisu, 1 minus cos theta whole square. Then this is 1 square minus cos square theta. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Well, here cos 1 minus cos square theta duta ase, here 1 minus cos square theta eta ase. So here eta remove hoy gol, so answer is equal 1 minus cos theta 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, right? This is our right hand side, is not it? Is it? Yes. So what we have done? Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. So we take the LCM. Sin theta is the LCM, then this is 1 minus cos theta. Now we squared them individually. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. What is sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we put sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Well, we imagine it as we square this 1. We 1 square korle ki problem? No problem. So 1 square, that is 1. So 1 square minus cos square theta, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So a minus b here square hoy ase duta ase, eta remove hoy gol, so upor thei gol 1 minus cos theta 1 plus cos theta, and this is our right hand side of the equation, right? Yes. So we imagine it, we have squared it. Okay, got it? Okay. So this is our question number 1. Got it, guys? Awesome. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Let me clean the board. Well, wait a minute. Okay. Good. Now, question number 2. What is question number 2? Cos A. What is the left hand side? Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 sec A show korbo lage, right? 2 sec A show korbo lage. Well, let us do it. Okay, ami ekaloge koru. So left hand side, cos A by 1 plus sin A. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. 1 plus sin A by cos A, and this is our left hand side, right? Now we need to show the right hand side, and what is it? What it is? This is 2 sec A. 2 sec A. Well, let's take the LCM first. 1 plus sin A into cos A. What is the LCM? 1 plus sin A into cos A. Yes, there is nothing to do. So divide it by this one. So you will get the cos A, cos A, cos A, that is cos A whole square. Cos A, that is cos A into cos A, that is cos A whole square, plus 1 plus sin A. Cos A ইয়ার ডিভিশন করে দিলা, cos A রিমুভ হয়ে গেল, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, that is 1 plus sin A whole square. Yes? Okay. Now let me change the ink first. Well, now this is cos square A plus 1 plus sin square A, that is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, that is A square plus twice AB plus B square. Awesome. Well, in the denominator we have 1 plus sin A and cos A. Take it as it is. Okay, this is cos square plus sin square. Cos square A plus sin square A, that is 1. Plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into 1 sin A, that is 2 sin A. 2 sin A. In the denominator we have 1 plus sin A plus, into cos A. Into cos A. Well, what we can do? 1 plus 1, that is 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A, right? Okay. So what all clean kori do? Awesome. Okay, so yato 2 ase 2 to common loi lua, that is 1 plus sin A. In the denominator we have 1 plus sin A into cos A. Therefore 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A remove hoi gol, that is 2 by cos A, or we can write it as 1 by cos A, or this is 2 sec A, right? 1 by cos A is sec A, therefore this is 2 sec A, and this is our right hand side. Yes, this is our right hand side. একেবারে ইজি হয়নি? আমি কি কৰিলো, 1 plus LCM ললো, then cos square A plus 1 plus sin whole square asile, then আমি কি কৰিলো, cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square asile, A plus B whole square expand কৰি দিলো, then cos square A plus sin square A, value is 1 square is 1. now কি কৰি দিলো, 1 plus 1 2, then 2 কি কৰিলো, common লৈ দিলো, 1 plus sin A, then in the denominator we have 1 plus sin A plus cos A into cos A, so 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A remove হৈ গল, 2 by cos A, and we can write it as 2 into 1 by cos A, and what is 1 by cos A? Sec A. What is 1 by cos A? Sec A. আমি identity বোৰ মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব, you need to remember it if you want to solve this kind of problems. Okay guys, got it? Awesome. Next question. Wait a minute. Okay, question number 3. What is question number 3? Well, left hand side of the question number 3 is tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Well, we have a hint here, write the expression in terms of sin A and cos A. Sorry, sin theta and cos theta. Okay, first আমি কি কৰিলো left hand side to কি দিয়া আছে first board draw কৰিলো আমি বহি তোমালোকে লিখি লোৱা tan A by 1 minus cot A, tan theta not A theta. Okay, 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. Awesome. Okay, now what we will do, tan theta, we need, the hint is given here that you have to change the tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. You can change cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Well, we can do it. Okay, let's do it. So sin theta is tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, and 1 minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta, reciprocal of the tan theta. Tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, therefore cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. Okay, plus again here this is cos theta by sin theta, and 1 minus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Right? Awesome. Okay, let's take the LCM here. This is sin theta, and sin theta into 1, that is again sin theta, minus cos theta, and in numerator we have sin theta by cos theta. Awesome. Okay, plus take the LCM. This is cos theta, therefore LCM is cos theta into 1, that is again cos theta, minus sin theta. ঠিক আছে? Okay, next in the numerator we have cos theta by sin theta, and there is nothing to do with it, right? Okay, next কি কৰো এতিয়া, let's multiply them. Let's multiply them. Well, this is sin theta, sin square theta, and cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Awesome. Here go, etu upor le multiply hoy jay aru etu tolol le multiply hoy, right? Etu upor le multiply hoyse jay, etu tolol le multiply hoyse. Okay, now plus here this is cos theta, cos is, and sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Awesome. Okay, okay, now what we can do, look at here, this is sin theta minus cos theta, and we have cos theta minus sin theta. We can write it as sin theta minus cos theta, but we need to change this sign, right? So this is sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. Now we will change it to sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta, right? So we have to change this sign. Sin theta cos theta minus sin theta asle ami ki korilo, sin theta minus cos theta korilo, therefore we have to change this sign. Okay, let me clean the board here. Okay, eto thik ase, eto mosi diso, eto clean korilo so. Next, now take the LCM, cos theta, sin theta, and sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta. So what will be the LCM? Sin cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into sin theta, and sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta will be the LCM, right? So cos theta into sin theta, and sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Therefore this is our LCM. Now divide this one by this one. Well, this one by this one, sorry. এটো কি ইয়াক ডিভিজন কৰা, so cos theta cancel হৈ গল, sin theta minus cos theta cancel হৈ গল, therefore we have the only sin theta. So sin theta into sin square theta, that is sin cube theta, আমি কি কৰিলো, এটোৰে ইয়াক ডিভিজন কৰিলো, যেটো ৰিজাল্ট হ'ব ইয়াৰ লগত মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰিম, ৰাইট? So এক কমপ্লিট এটোৰে ডিভিজন কৰিলো, cos theta cancel হৈ গল, sin theta minus cos theta cancel হৈ গল, we have sin theta here. So sin theta to here numerator multiply কৰিব লাগিব, therefore sin theta into sin square theta, that is sin cube theta. Similarly here we will get cos cube theta. Look at here, sin theta cancellable, sin theta minus cos theta cancellable, therefore we have cos theta. So cos theta into cos square theta, that is cos cube theta. Okay guys, now এটা একেবারে ক্লিন কৰি দিছো. Awesome. Everything is all right. Okay. Now a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. So what it is? A minus b, right? A cube minus, look at here. This is sine cube minus cos cube. That is a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square, right? A square plus ab. A square plus ab plus b square, right? What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Is it okay? Awesome. Next, denominator teneke rakhisu, change no koro. This is sin theta minus cos theta. Got it, guys? Now sin theta minus cos theta. Well, look at here. This is sin theta minus cos theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. Now what do we have? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Got it, guys? Okay. Now this is cos theta into sin theta. Now we can write it as 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta by cos theta into sin theta. Can we write this? 1 by cos theta into sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by cos theta by sin theta. Etu ebar yak division korchu, etu ebar yak division korchu. Thike ase? Awesome. Okay, now look at here. This is sin theta, cos theta, cos theta. So result is 1. Result is 1 plus 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Awesome. Well, only aru eta line ase. Here pisor line to ki hobo? Well, look at here. This is 1 to ami first. Then it is 1 by cos theta. That is 1 by cos theta is sec theta. 1 by cos theta is sec theta and 1 by sin theta is cosec theta. And this is our right hand side. Look at the question. This is our right hand side, right? So we got the right hand side. This is our answer. Got it, guys? Awesome. Cool. Okay. Next, question number 4. Question number 4, right? Yes, question number 4. Well, তোমালোকৰ কিবা প্ৰবলেম থাকিলে কি কৰিবা? অলৰেডি কৈছো WhatsApp গ্ৰুপ আছে, মোবাইল নাম্বাৰ লিংক এটা দিয়া আছে ডেসক্ৰিপচনত. You guys can tell me if you have any questions, any doubts, you can share with me. We will solve together. Okay, guys? Now let's go to the next question. Question number 4. What it is? 1 plus sec a by sec a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Well, hints eta dia ase, simplify left hand side and right hand side separately. Well, okay, we will do it. So for left hand side, what is the left hand side? 1 plus sec a by sec a. What is the left hand side? 1 plus sec a by sec a. Okay, let's solve it. Well, sec a 1 by sec a. Can we write it as like this? Sec a by sec a. Can we write it? Okay, so sec a by sec a is 1 by sec a is what? 1 by sec a is cos a plus sec a by sec a is 1. Awesome. Okay, right hand side too. It is a right hand side too. Sin square a by 1 minus cos square a. Sin square a by 1 minus cos a. Okay. So we can write for sin square a, we can write it as 1 minus cos square a. ठीक है আছে sin square a to আমি কেনেকৈ লিখিব পাৰো 1 minus cos square লিখিব পাৰো because sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos a. Now look at here. Square it. There is nothing has to be changed. Square it. 1 square is 1, so there is nothing changed. So 1 square minus cos square a, that is a square minus b square. A square minus b square. অলপ অলপ কৰি আছিল তেনে কথা কি হ'ব a plus b, a minus b, and 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a remove কৰিলে, that is 1 plus cos a. Therefore, look at here. This is the result, right? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Awesome, guys. Very simple, is not it? একেবাৰে simple হয়নে বাৰু? Okay, guys. Next question. Question number 5. Next question. Well, let me clean the board. Okay, guys. Next question. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Well, cos a minus sin a plus 1, cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Using the identity cosec square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a, so use কৰিব লাগে. Okay, guys. First আমি boardত left hand side to লিখি লওঁ. Cos a minus sin a plus 1. Left hand side. কি দিছে আমাক ফার্স্ট তো cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1. Cos a plus sin a minus 1. So we have to show this is cosec a. Cosec a and cot a. So let's divide it by sin a. Both the numerator and denominator divide by sin a. So if you divide cos a by sin a, both side divide by sin a. Divide by sin a. Both side কি কৰিছো sin a divide কৰিছো. Cos a numerator, both side means both side are numerator and denominator divide by sin a. So cos a by sin a is what? Cos a by sin a is cot a. Cot a minus sin a by sin a is 1 plus 1 by sin a. 1 by sin a is cosec a. কি কৰিলো আমি cos a को sin a ৰে ডিভিজন কৰি দিছো, sin a को sin a ৰে ডিভিজন কৰি দিছো, 1 को sin a ৰে ডিভিজন কৰি দিছো. Got it, guys? Next denominator ডিভিজন কৰিছো. ইয়াক যদি sin a ৰে ডিভিজন কৰা cot a plus ইয়াক যদি sin a ৰে ডিভিজন কৰা 1 minus ইয়াক যদি ডিভিজন কৰা 1 by sin a, that is cosec a. Awesome. Okay. Now, how can we do it? Well, cot a minus cosec a minus 1. Well, আমি এটো ইহত দুটা কম্বাইন কৰি লিখিছো nearby and ইহতকো কৰো cot a minus cosec a plus 1. Okay, guys. Now what we will do? We will do something very unique. Okay, guys. So, well, আমি কি কৰি দিলো cot a minus cosec a plus 1 আমি এক ব্র্যাকেট কৰি দিলো, and cot a minus cosec a we will multiply it by cot a plus cosec a. A minus b, therefore we multiply it by a plus b. So আমি উপৰটো multiply কৰিব লাগিব cot a plus cosec a, right? So উপৰত already কি আছে আমাৰ cot a plus cosec a minus 1. Awesome, guys. What we have done? We did something very unique. Look at here. This is first আমি এটা গ্রুপ কৰি দিলো cot a minus cosec a গ্রুপ কৰি দিলো plus 1 এক্সট্রা কৰি ৰাখিছো, দেন কি কৰিছো cot a minus cosec a cot a plus cosec a multiply কৰি দিলো both numerator and denominator. Okay, guys. Now wait a minute. So কি কৰিলো ওপৰৰ numerator সেম ৰাখো, এটা একো কৰিব লগা নাই, এটা লিখি ৰাখিছো cot a plus cosec A minus 1 and this is cot A plus cosec A by, look at here, cot A minus cosec A into cot A plus cosec A. This one into this one. The whole thing. The whole. Cot A minus cosec A into cot A plus cosec A. That is A minus B into A plus B. That is A square minus B square. A square minus B square. Awesome. This is A, this is B. This is A, this is B. A minus B into A plus B. That is A square minus B square. Plus 1 into this one. That is cot A plus cosec A. Awesome. Okay. Upper part to same rakhisu. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 into cot A plus cosec A. Awesome. Now look at here. Cot square A minus cosec square A. Cot square A minus cosec square A. That is 1, right? Because 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Therefore, it is cosec square A or cot square A minus cosec square A. Therefore, this is minus 1. Sorry guys. Cot square A minus cosec square A, that is minus 1. Well, let me check. So this is minus 1. This is minus 1, right? So minus 1 plus cot A plus cosec A. Okay guys, now our answer like we say. Look at here. So this is cot A plus cosec A minus 1 and cot A plus cosec A, right? Okay guys, then okay, cot A plus cosec A, I mean arrange korbo paru na baro. This is minus 1, right? So arrange korila it is similar to this one, right? So therefore we have cot A plus cosec A in the right hand side. Therefore this is our right hand side, is not it, right guys? Yes. Okay, so it was the number. Awesome. Okay, guys, so next question number 6, and this is the last question for today. Question number 6 and this is the last question for today. Baki jibur thaki jabo, we will discuss it tomorrow. Thik ase? Okay, question number 6. What is the question number 6 and the left hand side? Well, 1 under root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to sec A plus tan A. So okay, left hand side 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. Okay, multiply it. Let's take the denominator. Well, let me show you. 1 minus sin A, we multiply it 1 plus sin A. Therefore, we have to multiply it in the numerator too, right? So 1 plus sin A. Got it, guys? A minus B, A plus B. Therefore, this is A square minus B square. A plus B into A plus B whole square. Look at here. 1 square, that is 1. 1 minus sin square A, that is cos square A. 1 minus sin square A, that is cos square A. 1 plus sin A whole square. So ইয়াতো হোল স্কয়াৰ আছে ইয়াতো হোল স্কয়াৰ আছে আন্ডাৰ ৰুট টু ৰিমুভ কৰি দিও therefore 1 plus sin a by cos a. So let me show it here. 1 by cos a, can I write it like this? 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a. Can I write it like this? Yes. Cos a ever 1 of division korilu, cos a ever sin a division korilu. Guys, okay guys, so cos a, well, now this is 1 by cos a. 1 by cos a, that is what? Sec a plus sin a by cos a, this is tan a, and this is our right hand side. Right? Yes. Is it our right hand side? Yes, this is our right hand side. Okay guys, ঠিক আছে? Awesome. So this is enough for today. Hakaile ako log pam. Okay guys, so bye bye for today.